Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring Texas tales. From big cities to wide open spaces, Texas is a state known for its immense size, diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. From bustling urban centers to sprawling ranches and stunning natural wonders, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into the heart of Texas and uncover its many treasures. Let's get started. Segment 1. The Vibrant Cities. Houston Space City. Our journey begins in Houston, the largest city in Texas and a hub for space exploration, culture, and cuisine. Space Center Houston. First, we visit Space Center Houston, where you can explore interactive exhibits, see real spacecraft, and even meet astronauts. Don't miss the chance to tour NASA's Johnson Space Center and see Mission Control. Museum District. Next, we head to Houston's Museum District, home to 19 museums, including the Houston Museum of Natural Science, the Museum of Fine Arts, and the Children's Museum. Whether you're into art, history, or science, there's something for everyone. Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. If you're visiting in March, be sure to check out the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, the largest rodeo in the world. Experience thrilling rodeo events, live concerts, and traditional Texas cuisine. Austin, the live music capital of the world. Next, we head to Austin, the state capital and a city renowned for its live music scene and eclectic culture. 6th Street. First, let's explore 6th Street, Austin's entertainment district. This vibrant area is packed with bars, restaurants, and live music venues. Enjoy a night out and catch some live performances by local and touring artists. Zilker Park. For outdoor enthusiasts, Zilker Park is a must-visit. This urban park offers recreational activities like kayaking on Lady Bird Lake, hiking trails, and the beautiful Zilker Botanical Garden. Don't miss the Barton Springs Pool, a natural spring-fed swimming hole. Texas State Capitol. History buffs will appreciate a visit to the Texas State Capitol. Take a guided tour to learn about Texas history, government, and architecture. The building itself is a stunning example of Renaissance revival style. Dallas, the Big D. Moving north, we arrive in Dallas, a modern metropolis with a rich history and vibrant art scene. The 6th Floor Museum. Our first stop is the 6th Floor Museum at Dealey Plaza, which chronicles the life, death, and legacy of President John F. Kennedy. The museum is located in the former Texas School Book Depository and offers a detailed look at the events of November 22, 1963. Dallas Arts District. Next, we explore the Dallas Arts District, the largest urban arts district in the U.S. Visit the Dallas Museum of Art, the Nasher Sculpture Center, and catch a performance at the AT&T Performing Arts Center. Reunion Tower. For panoramic views of the city, head to Reunion Tower. The observation deck offers a 360-degree view of Dallas, and the interactive exhibits provide fun facts and insights about the city's landmarks. Segment 2. The Wide Open Spaces. Big Bend National Park. Our adventure continues to the wide open spaces of Big Bend National Park, a vast and rugged area offering stunning landscapes and outdoor adventures. Santa Elena Canyon. First, we explore Santa Elena Canyon, one of the most scenic spots in the park. Hike the trail along the Rio Grande River and enjoy breathtaking views of the towering canyon walls. Chisos Mountains. Next, we head to the Chisos Mountains, the only mountain range entirely within a national park. Hike the Lost Mine Trail for spectacular views, or embark on the challenging South Rim Trail for an unforgettable adventure. Stargazing. Big Bend is also known for its dark skies, making it a perfect spot for stargazing. The park offers some of the best night sky viewing in the country, with ranger-led astronomy programs available. Hill Country. Next, we explore the Texas Hill Country, a region known for its rolling hills, charming small towns, and vibrant wine culture. Fredericksburg. Our first stop is Fredericksburg, a town with strong German heritage. Explore the main street shops, visit the National Museum of the Pacific War, and enjoy some traditional German food at one of the local restaurants. Wine tasting. The Hill Country is also Texas wine country. Visit some of the many wineries and vineyards for a wine tasting tour. Becker Vineyards, Grape Creek Vineyards, and Messenahoff are just a few of the popular spots to enjoy. Enchanted Rock. For a bit of adventure, hike up Enchanted Rock, a massive pink granite dome that offers panoramic views of the surrounding hill country. It's a popular spot for hiking, rock climbing, and stargazing. Segment 3, the Gulf Coast. Galveston. Heading to the Gulf Coast, we arrive in Galveston, a historic island city known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant culture. Galveston Island Historic Pleasure Pier. First, we visit the Galveston Island Historic Pleasure Pier, an amusement park featuring rides, games, and restaurants. It's a fun spot for families and thrill seekers alike. Moody Gardens. Next, we explore Moody Gardens, a large complex with attractions like the Aquarium Pyramid, Rainforest Pyramid, and Discovery Museum. It's a great place for interactive learning and family fun. Historic Strand District. Stroll through the historic Strand District, known for its well-preserved Victorian architecture. Enjoy shopping, dining, and visit the Galveston Railroad Museum to learn about the island's history. Padre Island National Seashore. Further down the coast, we find Padre Island National Seashore, the longest stretch of undeveloped barrier island in the world. Bird watching. Padre Island is a haven for bird watchers, with over 380 species of birds recorded. Bring your binoculars and explore the various trails and observation points for a chance to see some rare and beautiful birds. Sea turtle release. If you visit during the summer months, you might be able to witness a sea turtle release. The park is a vital nesting ground for Kemp's Ridley sea turtles, and seeing the hatchlings make their way to the sea is a memorable experience. Beach activities. Enjoy the pristine beaches with activities like swimming, sunbathing, fishing, and kayaking. The calm waters and sandy shores make it a perfect destination for relaxation and water sports. Conclusion. And that wraps up our journey through Texas Tales, from big cities to wide open spaces, from the vibrant urban centers of Houston, Austin, and Dallas to the stunning natural beauty of Big Bend, the Hill Country, and the Gulf Coast. Texas truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels!